Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out and comparing the Hephaestus P1 surround sound gaming headset from Gamdias to its older brother, the Hephaestus, on my left over here. So off the bat, when you look at them, they look pretty much identical. The only difference is that one is white and the other one is black. And the headband on the older versions got a more cushion on the top, whereas the new one doesn't have the cushion on the top over here, which in my opinion is unnecessary for having that cushion on the top. But anyways, if you like the cushion or the way it looks, then maybe perhaps you want to go to the older version. Both headset, they are pretty amazing. Both are very comfortable. They're oversized ear, so meaning that it will cover your ears. It's not gonna go on top of it. It's gonna basically cover your whole ears, and the sound quality you get out of this is amazing, guys. So let's check out the specs here just to show you the difference between them. I went through it, and to be honest, I don't find any difference, like very minimum, very little difference between them. So there you go, the specs are right there. The size of the ear cuff or the size of the headphone are pretty much identical. As you can see here, the dimension is 232 by 100 by 216. And the microphone is slightly better, the size, well, it's only the size here. The size of the microphone here is slightly bigger on the newer version, and there's other stuff here that just a tad slightly better on the newer version, but not that much, guys. So here we go. Let's see what else we could see here. So both headphone does come with a remote control. As you can see, they are pretty much almost the same thing. And on the front, both it's got a cooling vent to make sure that you feel very comfortable, that the ear cuff is not too hot, not too cool, just perfect temperature. So let's open this up. I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, and I'll open the other one as well. So just in case for consumers out there like you who are watching this video has an idea which headphone to choose from. So here we go. This is the newer version. As you can see, this is their microphone right here. It is very flexible. You could flex it to any form you like. And on the top here, this is made of aluminum. The headband, it goes up and down, so it will fit almost any size of head out there. This thing is made of plastic, and you've got the cord here. It is the untangled cord, so this is perfect if you just want to store it away and not care about the cable being tangled. This thing will not tangle on you guys. So the remote controller is right here. You've got your volume up and down. You got your mute button right there. And on the side here, you've got your vibration mode. So if you are in an intensive situation, or if it's in a low bass sound, you will notice that your gaming headphone here will vibrate, which feels amazing, guys. So right here, this is what I'm talking about, the vent right here. This will cool off the temperature. It will make sure that the ear cuff here will be nice and comfortable for you. So especially for people out there who plays their game, who plays for a very long time, this will help you feel comfortable and not get too hot or anything like that. So there you go. And as you can see, the cushioning on here is so thick. This thing is super comfortable, guys. And also the headband right there is like almost what, an inch thick. It's very soft, and the inside of the cuff is right there, guys. Really, really amazing headphone. Okay, let's compare it with the old version here and see what it looks like. Okay, so here is the old version. As you can see, you've got foam on top over here. It's got the name of Gamdias on the top, which is awesome. And like again, all the paddings are almost the same thickness compared to the new one. And the way it looks, it's pretty much identical. So you can see from there, let me put it the other way direction. Pretty much identical. So let's see the difference on the top here, the headband. Like again, it's got the foam here, and then you've got the plastic over here, whereas this one, they completely eliminated it. And then on the front, you've got your vent right there. And then on the other side, it's pretty much identical, guys. Not much of a difference. Okay, let's check out the microphone size here. So they said the new version is slightly bigger. But to be honest, I don't even see it, guys. I don't even see the size difference. And let's check out the controller. Okay, so you see the size here. The older version is much smaller and compact, and it's got a clip here, which you could clip it on your shirt, your pants, or wherever you want to clip it, whereas this one doesn't have a clip at all. Okay, so you've got the rocker volume up and down right there. You've got your mute button, and also it's got the vibration on the older one as well. Okay, so when it comes to sound quality, like I said, both are pretty much identical. They are both amazing, guys. You can't go wrong with either one. I think the price, I'm not too sure about the pricing on this. Since this one is old, it might be cheaper, but I don't know. I can't remember anymore. Go check it out, guys, on Amazon. Okay, so when it comes to weight, let's just try to weight them up and see how heavy these headphones are. I don't know if I could even mount it on my weight scale here. I don't think so, guys. Shoot. Okay. So it looks like I can't mount it on the weight scale. Okay. So never mind about the weight, but let me just try to weigh it with my hand just to see how it actually feels like, the weight on my hand. So there you go. To be honest, it feels pretty much identical. I don't see much of a difference of weight. But anyways, there you go. Those are the Gamdias gaming headphones. They are amazing headphones, guys, if you're into gaming. So now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on my head, just to give you an idea. And also, if you have any other questions, just leave me a comment down below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Alright guys, so let's put on the headphone and see what it looks like. Let's try on the old one first, the older version. So here it is, once again. So let me just place this on my head. And there you go. That's what it looks like. I'll go on my side so you guys could see what it looks like, and also on my back here, if you guys could still see me. So the microphone, it flexes to whatever direction you want, and everything here is fully adjustable. The headband can be fully adjusted. Okay, And this thing can be swivel as well. And overall, it just feels amazing, guys. Super, super comfortable. Okay, so there you go. That is the older version. So now let's check out the new one. So this one here, I forgot to mention, it does light up. It's an RGB. It does light up. So let me try to plug this on my computer here, or a power bank, just to show you guys that this thing lights up. Okay, so as you can see right there, it lights up and changes color. So there is different patterns as well. You can change it and so on. And now let's just put this on my head. And there you go. The same thing, the microphone swivels. The headband can be adjusted. And again, both are amazing when it comes to comfort. Okay, so let me just go to my side here, on my back, and on my other side here, so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, guys, so now we're gonna do an audio test just to see what kind of sound quality you'll get out of this headphone. Like I said, the sound quality on both headphones are amazing, but I just want you guys to hear it for yourself to at least have an idea what the sound quality is like. So let me just grab my microphone here. I'm gonna place it right inside my ear cuff here so you guys can hear what the sound quality is like. So here we go. Alright, now let's change the headphone with the other one and see what the sound quality is like. Alright guys, so it looks like for some reason the new headphone here is not compatible with the smartphone. I am using the same adapter when I was testing the first one, and for some reason this one just doesn't work on this newer version. So let me try it again and hopefully it does work. Okay, plug it in, plug it out. Let's press play. Let me see here. It does light up, but for some reason the music is not playing. Okay, we got everything maxed up here, volume, but for some reason it's just not playing, guys. You can't hear it. So when it comes to using this on your smartphone device or anything like that, with using an adapter, the new one does not work, guys. It's not compatible, which is kind of weird. But anyways, if you want to know the sound quality, it's pretty much similar to the older version. It's got a nice bass to it. It vibrates when you hit that low bass, and it feels like you're actually just, you know, you're actually there in the game while you're playing. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions, just leave me a comment down below. You guys pretty much know the routine and everything. And yeah, so once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.